Hi, Genevieve. I wanted to shoot a quick video of the MLS to show you how other agents in your zip code, 94605, do their marketing versus how I market. And one of the simplest ways to illustrate it is to show you this column here. This is virtual media. There's 36 houses for sale right now. And I counted before starting the video, 14 have some sort of virtual media, which means that I bet of all the agents you've interviewed, only about 1 out of 3 are doing any sort of virtual media. So let's see what others do first. So here's an example of the most expensive one with one. So this goes just to video. It's on YouTube, which is great. However, it means that he doesn't have a 3D Matterport, doesn't have a full property website, which means no floor plan. Obviously, there's no aerial. He doesn't show the top of the house in the neighborhood, which is what I do. And the way it's going, it looks like this. He did this himself. This is not how professional photographers. Video, just head. So he gets the view. That's pretty good. You can see how dark it is. It's not normally how a professional photographer does. Whoa! We just found him. Hang on. My suspicion. There he is. Don't mean to make fun of him. A for effort, but he's doing a better job than this one. This $1.5 million listing, this agent couldn't even be bothered to tape his own video. But this agent couldn't be bothered spending money on a professional photographer. And anyway, let's see. Let's find this one for $900,000. Oh, here we go. Look at this. He's got a 3D tour. Excellent. He's got a video. Excellent. He's got a floor plan. Okay, so this guy is much more to my taste. Let's see how he does photos, though. Photo of the garage. Not sure why. Three photos of the garage. Can we get away from the garage? Thank you. Where's the house? I'm looking for what I call the money shot, the best shot of the house. And I don't know, 8 photos we've gone through and we still haven't seen the inside of the house. 9 photos. Finally, a really terrible photo of the inside of the house. So there's more than meets the eye to just virtual media. But the point is that most of these are not doing virtual media. Let's do another thing. Let's not to pick on this guy. I mean, I'm sure I can pick any one of these, but let's look at his photos. All right, nice exterior shot. Good. Right to the money shot. Thank you. He's doing a lot right. So if you don't hire me, this is a better option. But what I'm looking for out of 40 photos is the floor plan. He doesn't have a 3D Matterport, so you're gonna have to watch his painful 4.5-minute video to get an idea of the floor plan, unless he has a floor plan. Hey, he's got aerial. He did hire a professional, unless he's got his own drone. But why no professional video or Matterport and no floor plan? All right, let's stop picking on him and let me show you a current listing of mine. So here's my virtual media. This is actually the agent access, so they can choose which one they want to share with their client. But you get a full property website with me. 3D virtual tour, there it is. Click on that and you go. And I'm sure you've seen this before, so I just want to show you, and it goes right to the money shot. Here's the video. Let's click on mine. You can even go to YouTube here. So the video is a little different, but you can see I'm doing aerial photos, and it gives you a sense of just how close to the ocean is versus other houses. Something I can show with aerial. All right, so the professional did this. This is not jumping around, with me. So that gives you an idea. But you get the full property website. You get the floor plan here as well. I can show you that it's also in my photos, but you also get documents. I can click on disclosure package. You've got to enter your info, and then you get all the disclosures online. Let me hop out of there and go back to, let's see, Does anybody, let's pick this guy here. He's got virtual media, so that's great. Let's see if he's got a floor plan. Let's see how many, okay, 4 shots, not too bad to get to the first photo. Where is his floor plan? 38, 39, last shot, nope, no floor plan. Let's go back to my listing. Okay, so first photo, front of the house. Second photo, what I deem to be the best shot I had. And we're trying to sell the view here, so that's why it's a second photo. I'm going to let them see the whole house, but they're also going to get a floor plan. There it is. Floor plan. By the way, my photographer took about 50 photos, and I only used 20 something because I'm telling the story of the house without boring them to death. So here's an aerial showing them exactly where this house is situated. And now that they know where the house is situated, let's give them actual drawings so they can decide whether or not their couch is going to fit in this living room, for example. So that's just how I do things versus how they do it. Again, most don't have any virtual media. Those that do usually don't have all of it, or they just do a really poor job. Here's just out of curiosity, so he's got 2 options. I'm not even sure what this is. Okay, so what this guy did was he stitched the photos together, and somebody's reading the text. So I'm sorry, but if I get this as a buyer, I want to pull my hair out because it doesn't give me anything that's not already in the MLS. I'm not even sure which one did I click on here. This one right here. Let's see his photos. All the outside, all the outside. Finally, hey, my first inside is that. I don't think I want to live in that room. I want to find a room I want to live in and be impressed by. Okay, this should be his second photo probably, or that one. But let's, 57 photos. 57. Do I really need 57? Is this house 100,000 square feet? He's just taking the same shot over and over and over again. Why? What is the point of that? Is the buyer being helped and educated? Where's the floor plan? No floor plan. Anyway, hate to make fun of other agents and how they do it, but when you are interviewing agents, ask them for examples of their marketing. Make sure they're doing some sort of virtual media, hopefully all of it. Make sure they're doing a floor plan, and don't hire anybody who doesn't understand that you bore people to death when you show them the same shot over and over again. This one's not bad. It's 2 of the front and then right to what I assume is the best shot. 33 photos, probably does a decent job of telling the story of the house, but I bet there's no floor plan because nobody in your zip code is doing floor plans. Anyway, thanks for watching this far. Feel free to call me, 415-652-3780 to talk about it more.